Hello world, welcome to my channel. This video is about a DJI Osmo Action 4 adventure combo. Now I didn't like the 11. I've sold it. I've gone back to the 7. I'm using the 7 at the moment. I like the 7. The 7 GoPro Hero 7 Black was a good camera. The 11 had a lot of good features, but overheated. It was so hot to touch, even after about 20 minutes. Wind slayer didn't work. It overheated with the wind slayer on. So I decided to go with a different brand, and DJI is the choice at the moment. So I'm going to unbox it and show you what's inside. I also picked up another 128GB card. Okay, I shall open it up, this box. So before I do that, okay, in this box it should have magnetic mounts. It should have a lot of things. So anyway, I better open it up. So okay, right, I am going to open this box up. Peel that. Peel that. Peel that. Peel that. Peel that. Put the rubbish somewhere. Blow away. I have a knife with me. Try on this one. The easiest way. Carry a knife with me. So in here you get 2 packets. So one of them is marked accessories, the other is the Osmo Action 4. Just there, like that. Also in the box you get that. And that's it, nothing else in the box. So you get the selfie stick. This is an invisible stick, I believe. It just tells you if you're using it in salt water to rinse it and all that. But yeah, it extends out like that. 1.5 meters. That's about my hand span from here. So yeah, very light. One drawback, it doesn't come with a tripod. Just a selfie stick, but on the bottom is a thread, so I can screw a tripod into there when I need it quickly and use that as a tripod. Might be a bit higher than I like, but it's going to work. And that's that stick. You can have it, hold it out, nice and light it is. So what we'll do is go through the accessories first. So in this accessory box, a bit of gel, USB-C to USB-C cable. You have a magnetic mount. Nothing else in that box. You got the app you got to load up probably with DJI. But I got a DJI drone, so it should be fairly easy with me. So that a comprehensive and quick start guide here, and a comprehensive manual there. No need to go right into it at the moment. Got a little pack of these little blue things and a black thing. Not sure what that is. I think it's a washer that goes under your lens cap. And I'll open this up. This is a battery pack. Have 3 batteries. 1, 2, 3 batteries in a good little holder. Can be used as a power bank as well, I've been told. There's a USB on the side there to charge it or discharge. You push the button and it tells you orange or green, I assume. So that'll be needing charging. Right, now the action camera. Open this up in here. That's all that's in that box. So I have the camera, action camera, DJI camera, cover over the lens, on off, buttons there, have to go through it, but yeah, that's what you get. Nice little compact unit. They're not supposed to have any heating issues like the GoPros. On this packet, you have a oh, that's the case in case you're riding rough and you're going around everywhere and banging into things, I suppose. Don't probably need to use that if you're just going to do vlogging like I do. Probably don't need it, but it's handy. Another sticky base mount, so you can stick it onto a helmet or somewhere like that. Don't know if I need that straight away either. I'll put all this back on the page later. Another magnetic quick release clamp fitting. Put it onto there, and then you put one of these onto there, and then the GoPro just, the DJI just clamps on and off. Yeah. So it's going to be nice, easy removal. Yeah, so you put that onto there. You put one of these. That's the mount. That's there. One of these under there. Okay, and then that should just go under there with a quick release. That's it. Nice, gee, nice and tight. That's what it's going to look like. You can extend it out, as I said. Take that bit of paper for a minute. Paper, I'll take it off in a minute. Well, that's what it looks like. So that's what you get in the box. I've got to set it up yet. I've got to get on the DJI and put all the details in, and then I've got to put this card in, charge the batteries up, and then I can use it. Now, I hope you like this video. So I can give my thoughts on the Osmo Action 4 after I used it a bit. As I did not like the 11, I would not go to the 12 with the Hero Black GoPro. Just didn't like the 11, and I'm recording on a 7 at the moment. And but yeah, they had good features, the 11, and the 12's got a little bit more features, but the overheating issues, and it got so red hot even after 20 minutes. I know I could have cut the down to probably 2.7K or something like that recording, but why? This is going to record in 4K, and I was only recording in 4K before. And this is supposed to work better in low light than the GoPros. So time will tell how it's going to go. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Cheers.